Does the sun make you sneeze? Well, it's probably down to your DNA. And it's actually your body responding to changes in light intensity. As many as 1 in 3 people experience this, which is scientifically known as autosomal dominant compelling helioophthalmic outburst syndrome. Now, the exact neuroscience here is still unclear, but most scientists agree that it's caused by some sort of crossfire between neurons in your brain triggered by the narrowing of your pupils in response to bright light. And whether you experience the sun-induced sneezing is mostly down to your DNA. Now, we don't know exactly which genes are responsible here, but people who experience ACHOO syndrome are also often more vulnerable to migraines and headaches, so there may be some genetic correlation there. Now, if this sounds like you, there are some things you can do to stop yourself sneezing every time the sun comes out, namely minimizing sudden changes in light exposure and wearing sunglasses or a hat when you first go outside to make the transition into sunlight less dramatic. Do you suffer from ACHOO syndrome? Let me know in the comments.